Hello everyone, today we're doing some soft strumming. So we're going to go a simple down strum like this with the side of the thumb, the soft part of your thumb, and that gives a nice soft sound. First we're just going to go down, and for the second verse we're going to go twice the rhythm, twice the speed, and the third time round we're going to go up and down. Three kinds of strumming. So the song we're doing is Turn Your Eyes Upon Jesus, and it is in C, which means we're using C from the 5th down, F from the 4th down, G, all the strings, and 2 new chords, A minor, that's from the 5th down, and D minor from the 4th down. So when you're playing this song and you're playing C, don't play all the strings, play from the 5th down. And when you're playing F, no higher than the 4th string. Otherwise it sounds funny like this. See how strange that sounds? You've got to go only from the 4th down for F. And for G, you can use all the strings. You can see that because you're pressing down some of the top strings. So it's obvious that you're going to use all the strings. A minor from the 5th down, and D minor from the 4th down. So remember your bass strings, don't go any lower. So we'll just do simple strumming so that you can concentrate on the chords and on the strumming. First we're just going to do a nice slow down strum. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Turn your eyes upon Jesus, look full in his wonderful face, and the things of the earth will grow strangely dim in the light of his glory and grace. After your last word, you can just go F, C to end it off. Second time round, we're going to go double that speed. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Turn your eyes upon Jesus, look full in his wonderful face, and the things of the earth will grow strangely dim in the light of his glory and grace. Third time we're going to go up and down, but only with the thumb. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Turn your eyes upon Jesus, look full in his wonderful face, and the things of the earth will grow strangely dim in the light of his glory and grace. If you're learning a new chord and you've looked at the picture and you're putting down your fingers and you see that 2 of your fingers are on the same string, then you know something is wrong. You must look at the picture again. You'll never find two fingers on the same string. Then just look at your picture and adjust. Each finger will always have its own string. That's just a tip for when you're trying to troubleshoot about your chord. You can download the lead sheet from the description. Let us know in the comments how it's going with you. We'd like to hear from you and your progress. Happy practicing. Bye.